we've arrived at the last episode of the mini-series Making a Splash. So let's talk about the departure drama. It's time to go home, the day's over, the day's finished, and it's time to pack everything up. But leaving the beach is a whole new challenge in itself. Everything's covered in sand, including places you didn't even know could get sandy. You spend ages shaking out towels, picking up rogue toys and trying to locate that missing flip-flop. Accept that you'll be finding sand in your car for weeks. It's like glitter. It gets everywhere and never leaves. You swear you vacuumed it out, but there it is, mocking you from the floor mats and the cup holders. And don't get me started on the struggle of folding up your beach chair. It's like trying to wrestle a stubborn octopus into a tiny suitcase. Have you ever tried? The chair has a mind of its own, also octopuses do, refusing to cooperate as you struggle to latch it shut. Then there's the cooler. You remember that ice cream you bought earlier? Well, now it's a melted mess at the bottom, mixing with the sand to create a sludgy concoction that even the seagulls don't want to eat. But amidst the departure drama, there's a sense of satisfaction. You look back at the beach one last time, the setting sun casting a golden glow over the sand and surf. You smile, knowing you've had a day filled with laughter, sunburn, and maybe a sandcastle or two. As you drive away, windows down and radio playing your favourite tunes, you can still feel that salty breeze and hear the distant crash of waves. And you know, despite the sand in your shoes and the mess in your car, it was all worth it. Because a day at the beach isn't just a day, it's a mini adventure, complete with its own dramas and delights.